Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be applying a very special food, one of my favorite food products on my face, and that is an avocado. Avocados are so yummy and so good for health, and I've been seeing a lot of videos about people putting it on their hair and their skin. So I thought, why not make a quick mask to sort of like uplift the skin very quickly, and you will see that this gives you very instant and nice results. Avocado is known for its anti-aging properties. It's also known to have a lot of good fats like the omega-6s, the omega-3s. These all nourish the skin. In addition to avocado, I'm going to be adding an egg yolk to it. If you are a vegetarian, skip the egg yolk and add some chia seeds. They will also help in a similar manner. You do not have to add the egg. I will be adding to this a little bit of banana, because banana is like my favorite ingredient to put on the face. It just gives the mask more body and hydrates a lot more than just putting the avocado with the egg yolk. So without further ado, let's get started. I have a banana here. I'm going to be using half this banana. Peel it and throw it into the blender. I have a fourth of an avocado. 1/4 should be enough. Mine's not so ripe, so I'm gonna have to cut it and put it in. If you have a ripe one, you can just like use a spoon to scoop everything out. And then I have the egg yolk. Like I said, you can use chia seeds instead of the egg yolk if you're a vegetarian. And then I'm going to blend it till it's smooth. Are you sure you don't wanna? It's been roughly 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna go and just rinse my face and get rid of this pulp. I'm already feeling so good. Some parts of it are completely dry, but the areas where there's a thicker layer, it's not totally dry. It's just a little tacky underneath. But it's already been, I think, 25 minutes or so. Maybe I'll go and keep it a little longer. And I'll check in with you after washing my face. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Super nice. Like, I can feel like so much moisturization. And my skin is also feeling so soft, supple. Just like amazing. It's amazing how these natural ingredients really change the game. Amazing. Please try it, and I will be posting more remedies for you and more such masks and treatments. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and support me.